take a deep breath in. Breathe out. Look up. Look up. Look up. Look up. Let's have you turn and face me on this side.
Hold this up.
This knee. Hips. We're going to slide this arm out from underneath it. Good. I'm going to roll you kind of forward. Right there.